Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this. This is Garage for SILENO Minimo, SILENO City and SILENO Light robotic mowers by Gardena. That's cool, because we have here a particle and a robust device. This is the ear protection for robotic lawn mowers. Weather protection. It's made from durable plastic. The Garage protects the robust robotic lawnmower from rain and sun. Of course, it is protected at the beginning. Yeah. But maybe there are a lot of weather is coming through, like you're on the ocean coast or something else. Then it's better to get a Garage for your lawnmowers. And easy to maintain. With this accessibility cable duct, the improves ease of use, seamless maintenance, and practical and intelligent. The hind roof allows direct access to the robot's control panel. And uncomplicated and sturdy, because the Garage is easy to assemble and to install in our garden area. Everything is there what you need. We have the Gardena Garage for the robotic mowers and 6 fastening screws. The device here, the Gardena Garage for robotic lawnmowers, is the easy weather protection that impresses with the clever design and practicality. Because this Garage is made for a good condition, weatherproof and stable, out of solid plastic, and protects the already very robust robotic lawnmower from rain and sun. The lawnmower is designed to work outdoor in all weathers, and the extra protection from the elements will extend our life of the lawnmower, of course. And an easy access thing, because the Garage of these robotic lawnmowers provides protection for the lawnmower. The cable duct is located at the rear of the charging station, and it's easy to reach then. So the cables are easily accessibility protection, and if you have maintenance work there, you can easily have access to there. And it's really practical and clever, because the roof of the Garage can be conveniently opened and anytime we can close it. This allows us an easy access to the robotic mower's control panel. And of course, it's smooth assembly, as you can see, because the Garage is simply mounted over the charging station, which is already there in the garden and will reliable withstand all weather conditions out there. It protects the robotic lawnmower from the elements like wind, like water, like snow and ice, and of course, the bright side. This is the sun. Maybe the sun is burning all day long, and it's not so good for all humans, all or other pets and other plastic components. So this protects. This Garage is a standard protection device for your lawnmower. The Garage simply mounted over the charging station and makes good jobs. And an all-round protection, this stylish and durable cardboard not only adds an attractive touch to our outdoor space, but also provides a quality protection for our robotic mower. Its sturdy construction will withstand the variety of weather conditions, ensuring a longevity for our valuable garden companions. The reference number is 1502-20. And it protects against sun and against rain. The Gardena robotic lawnmowers are extremely robust and designed to work in outdoor area conditions. But the Garage provides an additional protection against direct sunlight and rain. And of course, I think the direct sunlight is much better for every stuff outside and should be protected by a Garage. And we have really easy access to the cables on the backside. So maybe you have a problem with the cable, and you have to make a maintenance job there. Easy peasy with the Garage. There's a clap. which you can open. And there it is. We have access all day long to our cable. And of course, it's a foldable garage cover, of course. We get it enables an easy access to the robotic lawn over a control panel, too. And easy to assemble, easy to attach, and a good and nice protection for all our SILENO City, SILENO Live, SILENO Minimi lawn mowers out there by Gardena. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun. And it's really easy to attach, of course. You have only to put 2 bolts into position. And after this, you have to install 6 screws into the ground. And after this, job's done, baby. Okay? You can perform this easy peasy. Dun.